Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert education symbol in Word like a graduation cap or an open book into Microsoft Word. Depends on whether you prefer keyboard shortcuts or clicking through the ribbon menu. So in the first method, place your cursor where you want the symbol and type one of the following codes. If you want to insert the graduation cap, you need to type 1F393 and press Alt X all together. Select it and make it bigger, like 24, and you can change the style as well, like this one. And if you want to insert open book, you need to type 1F4D6 and press Alt X all together. And if you want to type stack book, you need to type 1F4D4, press Alt X all together. So in the second method, you need to press the window key and semicolon key all together. The emoji panel will appear up. You need to click on this search icon and type book. And here you can insert different type of education books like this one. So in the third method, you need to click on the insert and click on the icons. And in the search box, you need to type education and hit enter. And here you can see there are some different kind of education symbols, like this one, like this one. This is the scales, different type of education symbols. You can easily insert it. So make sure your internet must be connected with the computer when you use the icons. So I hope with this way you can easily insert education symbols in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.